Hello and welcome back to another wig vid. Today we're going to check out a wig made by Purple Scarf Wigs. I did get it from Etsy, and the wig that I'm wearing right now I got from Etsy as well, and I did a review on it, so I encourage you to check out that review. I will have it linked in the description and on the end screen for you guys to watch next. But this wig that I got is brown haired. It is a lace front wig, and I thought it was a really beautiful wig. When I saw this wig on the Etsy website, it looked very natural. So I decided to order it since it was under $100. I'll put the price up here. I thought it looked like a really nice wig, and my natural hair color is brown, and I just was thinking it would be nice to get a wig in my natural hair color that's actually longer than my natural hair, which is only about down to here. So let's check out that wig and check out the packaging that it came from. Let's be honest, people. When you get a package in the mail, and especially during this whole pandemic thing, you just want to open it. So I did open it. I kept everything as it was. I have not cut the lace off. I'll probably do that behind the scenes. I do have a video that I will also link at the end of this video that shows how to cut lace off of a lace front wig. So if you're not familiar with that, be sure to check out that video at the end of this one as well. So let's check out the packaging that this wig came in. First of all, it was very pretty packaging until I ripped it open and ruined it. Inside was this beautiful pink mesh bag that the wig was in. The wig was wrapped really nice. It had, of course, the black netting over it, and then on the inside it had a little bit of padding so the wig wouldn't like go flat. The best part is yet to come. Hang on. This is such a unique wig, and I've never had an experience like this when I purchased something over the internet, like ever. So I'm super excited. You've got to check this out. In the wig package, there was also this little package right here. Not only did this little package right here contain a couple wig caps, which was really nice, it also contained this heartfelt note. It might be hard to see, so it says, "Hey Angela," which, by the way, that's my name. Channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. I may be changing the channel name very soon to The Creative Sage, but I'll still keep Ms. Angela Sawyer in my tags, so you'll always be able to find me. I hope that you will like this wig very much. I loved making it. Judy, with a smiley face. So the wig that I'm about to show you is handmade, and I think I might have seen that in the listing, but it just kind of crossed my mind. But handmade with a special note just for me. Here is the business card, and I'll let you decide after the video whether you'd like to contact this seller. We still have a couple other things to check out in the bag. So it came with a ponytail holder, a clip, and this is like such a cute little clip. It almost looks like it's handmade or something. It's just so cute. It came with these little clips. I thought that was really personal, and I thought that was just really sweet for someone to take the time to not only hand make the wig, but to also take the time to fill the package with other personalized things. So let's get to checking out the wig. Here is a picture of the wig that I was looking at when I purchased it, and here is the wig that I got. And I'll move her a little closer. She's got this nice lace. When the lace is a different color than your skin tone, which this is a little bit darker than mine, I'm just pretty pale, but that's okay. You can actually use foundation or powder to place along the hairline to lighten up that lace for you if it's a problem. So it came with a nice lace front, and she's really long. She's not an it, she's a she. And so the great thing about this is you can either kind of leave it long and just kind of, you know, a little layered and maybe almost a little straggly, but maybe not, I don't know. Or you can cut it how you want. That was my cat. You can cut it however you want. You could cut it shorter and just make it a straight across sort of. That was my cat too. A straight across look. For me, The inside is everything. I want to see the lace. I want to see where the lace is. I want to make sure the lace is in the part. I want to make sure the lace goes very nicely around the hairline. So here we have her, and you can check her out. So the lace goes just around the outside, which I thought it would actually go further, but I still really like the look of this. And then it does go all the way down the parting line. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut the lace off of the wig real quick, and then I'll be right back with you to show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Look at this. It's so long, and it looks really natural to me. So if you look at the part, even though oh, my dog is not being good. So I think that this wig looks really natural. I think the hair looks really natural. It's not super shiny. I've taken it out in the sun to see, and it's not shiny. If you look at the part, even though it doesn't quite match my skin tone, like, it totally looks realistic. Another thing is the hair isn't so thick that it looks like a wig. A lot of the times the hair is just so poofy and thick, which you'd think, like, yay, thick hair, really nice. But it makes it look not natural, especially with a longer wig. So, Angie's final thoughts on the wig. Love it! And by the way, that's a heart. And let me do a pirouette so you can see what it looks like from the back. Okay, so anyway. There you go. That's what it looks like from the back. Now, this wig was meant to have a center part, but I did pull it over to the side. So I didn't look in the mirror to see the back, but if the back does look uneven with it pulled to the side, then I'll just put it on my mannequin head, I'll pull it to the side, and then I'll give it a little trim so it doesn't look uneven. Also, there are so many things you can do with this wig. Like, you could put a little clip right here and hold it back, pull some of it back like that. I'll show you the hairline really quick. This wig would best be used with wig glue, but the hairline is pretty good. When I was cutting the lace off of it, I could tell that it was a little bit thinner around the hairline, and also I could see some baby hairs. So it's just a matter of getting all that to pop out with a little bit of glue. So I hope you enjoyed this wig vid. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you got value out of this video and like these kind of videos, please be sure to subscribe. I do work really hard on my videos, and your subscription would help me out a lot. Also, a thumbs up would help me out a lot. It would help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to others who enjoy these kinds of videos. So I'd like to say thank you again for watching. Peace out, and I love you guys to death. Mwah.